Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Calvin again. We have one of our modified plugs. It's an OBD1 plug. And as we all know that these plugs, you can only read the ECU, but you cannot read the gearbox on these cars. But now, the way we've modified this, you can see there's engine there, and on the other side is gearbox. So we have a toggle switch that we can toggle around to read the gearbox separately, and then you read the engine separately. So which this system can help you now to read gearbox and engine. So if you can come closer, Billy, you can see this is the system, how we read it, and it's fantastic. It's an amazing system. I don't think that you will get this plug anywhere.
So Kelvin, you've read the engine faults?
Yes.
So let me toggle it to the gearbox
Yes.
side, to the right,
Yeah.
and then we are going to read the gearbox with the system.
Yeah.
So let's close the engine. And we read the gearbox. Let's say read fault, trouble codes. We've toggled it to the right into the gearbox position, and it's reading the faults. There are all the faults now displayed.
This is great, eh? That's all your gearbox problems. It gives you the P codes. And this is a super machine key. This is very nice. For all the mechanics who doesn't have this toggle switch, you can get one by us.
Yeah, contact us. Our details are in the description, and give us a call today to purchase your OBD1 adapter. Thanks,
Thank
Calvin.
you. Sweet.